times I see love. The lines of your face are a faithful witness to time. Your steps are no longer as strong as before, but your prayers never tire for me. Every night you call my name. In a long prostration, you entrust my life. Your tears fall silently for the sake of your child who sometimes forgets. Forgive me for often not understanding how great is your love. Mother, thank you for today's breath. God still allows me to hug you again in this beautiful time that remains. Allow me to return your love even though it will never be enough. Mother, you are the most beautiful gift in my life. Your white hair is like a crown of love. Your fragile body still stands strong. You taught me the meaning of gratitude through your immeasurable patience. If the time comes for you to be called home, let me have made you come. But today I pray that